Hey, what's going on, the best friends and fam of YouTube? So I'm doing a quick update for you guys. Lower turkey pan is on. I made a post on YouTube and on my socials yesterday. My socials are bolts N boost, just the letter N, just like the YouTube. So this thing's ready to go. New thermostat is in. New PCV is in with new grommet. And I got my coolant. 5/8 to 3/4 U. I found this guy on Amazon. It's absolute lifesaver. I'll tell you that. Just waiting on Canada Post to quit crying and stop their strike. I'm just kidding. I actually have no idea if it's reasonable or not. I'm just very annoyed that I can't get my stuff because in addition to this, I also cannot get my Lexus ISF because the borders were also on strike. So a whole bunch of strikes, maybe warrantable. I'm not paying too much attention to it, but it sucks for me because that would be done and it just looks totally rad up there. Right now I am cleaning the Supercharger pulley bracket. So this guy right here, it was really gross, really dirty, and for some reason really smelt like coolant. So I'm gonna give it one more wipe and then I'm gonna spray it with some spray paint, not only to make it look nicer, but also to protect the aluminum. And yeah, I got some engine enamel there that looks like aluminum, but I'm gonna primer it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, there she is, all primered. Just gonna let it sit for probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I did put grease on all the machined parts so it wouldn't, you know, if it got some primer and whatnot on it, I can just wipe it off. So that's usually what I do. Also, if you guys are looking for a nice reducer there, that silicone U, I'll put the link in the description because it took me a while to find and it's like seriously like absolutely perfect. So super stoked I found that. All right, so the lithium grease worked pretty good. I didn't get any unwanted paint on the machine surfaces. I'll just clean them up before I put some bolts in it, but I want it to dry more. Wanted to get most of the paint off and it worked, so that's good. I'm just gonna clean those ones up and I'm gonna clean up the bolts right now. And then this should be ready to go back on once everything dries. I got new pulleys for this. I got new pulleys for the accessory belt system. That's all dirty from previous leaks. So that will be getting done as well. So yeah, lots to do still, lots to do. But I'm gonna go clean these little suckers up. And voila! The, I don't even know what this is called, like the Supercharger bridge, pulley bridge, I don't know the technical term for it, but I know what it does, obviously. But it's a lot nicer now. So it's all cleaned up, all the grease is off. I'm not completely finished yet. I'm gonna take it off. The bolts are not torqued, just because I'm gonna have to get behind there and I wanna clean up all the timing covers and such. But the new pulleys are on, which look good and they spin well and, you know, everything looks good. So super stoked. It turned out really nice actually. So hopefully the rest of the engine can look like this. I did run out of that paint. It's just the engine enamel silver paint here. It works really good. There's just a little bit in there. So, but yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Nothing's really moving right now. I'm getting little bits and pieces here where anything that's shipped not from Canada Post, just like I said, they're having a strike. So it's kind of few and far between. I did order all brand new injectors for this thing. So those are on the way. And then once those are in, I can start building everything. The coolant hoses are pretty much done. I just have to wait for that one piece, the reducer, or sorry, not the reducer, the coolant flow restrictor, which I found a good one that just goes in line. I think it's like stealthconversions.com is where I found it. Focuses on LS swaps and I think for RX-7s. So but it's going to work. It just does the same thing. But yeah, that's all I wanted to update you guys on today. Hopefully you guys are still following along and, you know, not getting too angry that I'm not uploading, you know, in-depth stuff here. I tried my best, and I still try my best to do that, but I just don't have enough stuff here to do a full-length video for you guys anymore. Again, when it comes, I will continue. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give this one a thumbs up. Check out other videos on the channel. And hopefully the ISF shows up soon and we can go through that. That'll be cool. But anyway, you guys have a great week ahead of you. All right? Peace.